So right there is another major problem. There's a lock nut where you see that bronze bushing. That is a spindle for the turret shaft, and it's got a lock nut with very little clearance, about 30 thou clearance on the nut to the board's end, and then it's got these little tiny slots that you got to put a socket in, and they put permanent Loctite on it, and it is that's a tough one, and it's deep in there, you know. So I'm gonna heat it up with my heat gun. I already hit it a few times with my hammer, with impact. Just try and loosen it up a little bit. I'm going to heat it up and we'll see if we can get her. But you need a special socket. That special socket is right there. Not much meat on them. So, and they torque that to 100 foot-pounds.